Westermans here. A few machines ready for loading. Lincoln DC400s with new wire feed units. Serviced and with cables. A good solid machine, transformer based. Lincoln Ideal Arc DC400 multi-process. These will all be loaded into the container when it arrives and shipped to Nigeria. As you can see, we have a good selection of stock. Welding rotators, welding positioners. You can find the odd motorbike. CNC plasma from a spree. Bowed seam welders. Selection of orbitals. Polysude, AMI, Swage lock, ESAB MIGs, TIGs, Lincoln DC400s, Lincoln AC, I don't know whether they're 12s yet, 1200s, Swift cut, plasma, longitudinal seam welders, fume extraction, more rotators, SAR type and conventional, flash butt welder, again more fume extraction, positioners up to 20 ton from 50 kilos. Some machines for spares, like the robot over there. One or two machine tools, not many. There's a small little brake press there. Spot welders, seam welders, longitudinal and circumferential, both in resistance, and we also do longitudinal pro arc and bowed seam welders. Boxes of new equipment from Pro Arc. Cladding systems, a welding alloys cladding system which we were just doing at the minute, getting ready for the customer. As you can see, there's quite a few machines around. Machines are not serviced or cleaned until ordered. Once ordered, a machine is serviced, tested. From time to time we will sell machines as is, depending on the client's budget. We do ship worldwide, so machines that come in will sit here. People will actually view them on the website, email for a price request. From the price request becomes a quote. From the quote, in theory, should become an order. And then the machine is quoted out with carriage or ex-works. And then packed and wrapped, depending what sort of package the customer wants, and sent out. All prices can be requested on the website. There's one or two prices there for viewing, but majority of the time you request a price and a price is sent out within possibly an hour or less. Thank you for looking. Have a good day. Bye bye.